Hello, children. How are you all? I know you all would be fit and fine because you all are eating what your mama is cooking for you, green vegetables and everything, right? Yes, if you are not eating, start eating green vegetables, okay, and sprouts and everything. Okay, have the salads so that you will be fit. Okay. Okay, so we have already started with the lesson where we are learning the places where computer is used, and we have in the last Zoom sessions we have covered few places, right? So let's revise those places, right? So we have seen a school, the use of computer in the school. So yes, teacher is using to prepare the report card to teach all of you, right? And students can use the computer in the library, right, to because they suppose they want to uh, e-learning, suppose they want to learn new things, read new books which are not there in the library, but they want to read those books, so they can refer e-learning. They can go for the concept e-learning online, they can read the books. Then computer is used in the library to maintain the records of books, right, because lots of students are using books. So to keep all the records of the books, they are using, librarian is using the computer. Yes. Then admin office, they are using to keep the record of the students, like your personal details, right? Everything, Aadhaar card, as I told you, Aadhaar card, mobile number, home address, fee details. So for this, everything they are using the computer. So these all were the uses of computer in school. Then we have seen the uses of computer at home, right? So at home, maybe playing a game or completing the homework or listen to music or watching movies, right? And your mama would be doing online shopping. So these were the uses of computer at home. And then third, we have seen the uses of computer in hotels or shops. For what? To maintain the record, stock record, and to generate the bill. So these were the uses, these were the places where computer is used, and for what purpose they are used, that we have covered. So today we are going to continue with the remaining places. Okay, so let's start. Let me share you the screen. Yes. So this we have already covered. So today we are going to see the use of computer in office. Nowadays, maybe your father, mother is not going to the actually office. Maybe they are work from home, right? But previously, they used to go to the office and they used to have the computer, laptop. Nowadays, also they are using computer, laptop, work from home purpose. Also, they are using it. But what they are doing actually in the computer? Did you ask sometime? That okay, mama, papa, what are you doing in your computer or your laptop? For what purpose you use? Okay, so if you are not asked, ask them today. Okay, but I will tell you what are the uses, for what purpose your parents are using the computer. Maybe they're using for this purpose. So first is, see, look here, what this red jacket wearing uncle, what he is doing. He is showing some figures, right? Some, right, some chart he's showing, right? So and others are also looking at their laptop, same screen is there on their laptop, they all are looking it very seriously. Okay, now this thing is called as presentation, where you want to present the information in front of the audience. Maybe the audience is your colleagues or the management or open to all, right? So when you want to present the idea, your idea or the information, then that is called as the presentation. And while presenting, you can make it so attractive, so beautiful, so interesting to watch. Because see, when you continuously talk, then maybe the audience feels bored, right? But when you saw some pictures or information, and they can read also, they can listen also, right? At that time, they will not feel bored. They will understand what you're trying to say, right? So let me show you a small presentation, like how they actually show it, right? I'm not having a big presentation. I have not created it. I've created a small presentation for you. So let me show you that. Yes. I'm going to play this presentation for you. So right now, it is a blank screen. So when you want to explain something, you click it, then the whatever you have in your presentation will come. Hello, it's saying hello. The way, see the way hello is coming slowly. Oh wow, student. Hello, students. Hey, what is next? Oh, this boy is jumping with the laptop, right? So see the image, how the way the image came. Okay, so this boy is working on the laptop. He's watching something. He's playing game. Okay. Oh, the girl, right? She's reading book, right? So this interesting way you can show your ideas, your thoughts, or if you want to convey any message, or you want to tell, you want to teach. Even teachers are also using presentations to teach you, right? So these are the uses of presentation, and this is the use of computer. This is the use of computer to give the presentation. So lots of offices are using the laptop or computer to give the presentation. Why? Because whatever is happening in their business or in office, right? When they want to share that information with lots of people, right? So for that purpose, they create a presentation and they present that presentation so that audience or their colleagues or the management or other people or their clients will understand, okay, what they want to say, right? Through with the help of images, with the help of tables, with the help of information written on it, right? So there are lots of uses of presentation. So we have to focus on that. Computer in offices they use to give presentations. So computer helps in giving presentations. So I hope that first image is clear to you. Said he is giving the presentation and others are looking at the presentation. Okay, now let's focus on the second picture. What this person is doing here, it is written accounts. That means he is doing some calculations on it, right? Do you know computer is having calculator inside? There is one application called calculator where you can do calculations, right? Suppose I tell you, do this calculation for me. 45 plus 25. Tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Oh, you are still doing it. Do you know computer can do this calculation within a fraction of seconds? Do you want to see how it is doing? Okay, I'll show you. Let me show you, okay? Okay, so here I'm going to type calculator. So calculator is coming. So yes. So this is the calculator. Now I told you to do, suppose 45 plus 25. And that's it. 70. See, within a fraction of second, calculator is doing the calculation, and I'm doing this. I'm using the calculator where I have the laptop. In my laptop, I'm using the calculator. So account office. Now this is very basic calculation, right? Accounts person have to do lots of calculation daily, right? So for that purpose, they use a computer to do calculations. Right? So in this picture, this person is using computer to do the calculations, because see, it will save the result also, and it will do a complex, very difficult calculation. Within a fraction of seconds, it will give you the result. And second thing is, if we do the calculation manually, there might chances that we can do mistakes. Maybe sometimes, right? Mistakes happens with the right, because we are not a machine, we are human being. But when you are using a computer and you're typing the right numbers, if you are typing a wrong number, then obviously the answer will be wrong. But if you type the numbers correctly, then the result, the final output, the answer will be Correct. Right? So yes, the second picture says computer helps in doing calculations. Now look at the third picture. Now this person is working in the office, and to type a document, to store that particular document, and then print that document, for all this purpose this person is using computer. Yes, my dear students, you can type also. So yes, I'm going to open this. Suppose this is a word. Okay, so now this application is used when you want to type something and you want to make it very attractive. Formatting, if you want to do formatting, that time also you can use it. Suppose I am typing, look at my cursor is moving. Hello students, how are you all? So see, I'm typing, then I can do lots of different things on it. I can change the color of it, right? I can change the size of it. So in offices, to type and then store, when you save this file, so this information will be saved, right? So for typing purpose, for saving purpose, you can use this, and then you can take the printout also. So here we have an option of printing. You can take a printout, right? So in offices, the person, when that person is done with the typing, he will save that file, and then if he want to show that particular report to someone, he or she will take a printout with this option, right? So yes, computer is useful for typing, then to save it, to store it, and then you can take a printout also. So yes, these are the three uses of computer in the offices. So let's revise the uses. Say after me. To give presentations. Very good. To give presentations. Very good. Second, doing calculations. Doing calculations. Very nice. Third, typing, storing, and printing documents. Typing, storing, and printing documents. Very good. So yes, now we understood the uses of computer in the office. Now you must be knowing what your father and your mother using computer for what purpose, right? They have lots of work to do in the computer or in the laptop, right? Yes, now we come to know. Now we'll see what are the uses of computer in banks. Have you ever visited a bank with your parents? You must have, right? So bank is the place where all the things related with money happens, right? So to keep the information about it, because lots of customers they are having, right? So how they are keeping the information of all the customers, who is having so how much money, right? So they need some machine to keep all this information stored. So yes, they are using computer for this purpose. So look at the first picture, right? This person is asking, giving money, and this person is taking the money and storing the information in the computer. So maintaining the accounts of customer. Whose accounts? Customers, because banks are having accounts. Bank account, right? Your parents must be also having bank accounts in some or the other bank, right? So bank to keep the information about the all the customers account. It's not possible. एक इंसान इतना याद रख सकता है क्या? No, it's not possible, because each and every bank are having lots of customers. So each customer is having account, right? And to keep all this information about the account, कि कितना पैसा है, how much money is deposited, how much money is withdrawal, and all lots of things related with the accounts, addresses, mobile number, PAN card number, all the details, कब कितना पैसा withdraw हुआ है, how much money has deposited today or tomorrow, transactions. So all those details will be stored with the help of computer, so that nobody can see that information. Nobody the information will be secured inside that computer. Nobody can see it, nobody can use it, nobody can make transactions for you from your account. So yes, for all those purpose computer is used. Then second, this girl is using what is the name of this machine? I know you know the name of the machine. ATM machine. Now ATM is the short form. What is the long form of ATM? Automated Taylor machine. Automated Taylor machine. This is the long form of ATM. Okay, and what is the use of ATM? You can withdraw money. Your parents can withdraw money. They don't have to carry the cash every time, right? And suppose kahin pe you need a cash urgently, then what you are going to do? Your parents must be having one card, bank card they are having, right? So they put that card in the ATM, they enter the pin, and the machine is giving back the money, whatever amount you are asking, right? So ATM machine is used to withdraw the money. So computer helps you to withdraw money from ATM. Inside there is a computer in the ATM. That particular system is called as the embedded computer system, right? And because of the computer, we are getting money and it is making record. Okay, on this date you have withdrawal this much amount. So क्या करेंगे, आपके अकाउंट में से उतना अमाउंट कम हो जाएगा, right? They will keep record of it, right? So that is the use of computer to withdraw money from ATM. And what is the long form of ATM? Automated Taylor machine. Okay, now check the third one. Can you see here one card is written, debit card is kept on the keyboard? Yes, I was telling about the card, no? That you need to have the card to insert in the ATM machine, right? Yes, the same card. In the first usage of computer in at home, you have seen that your parents or you can do online shopping. So for online shopping, you need to give some details about the payment. पैसा पे करेंगे तभी तो वो चीज घर पे आएगी ना. So how to you supposed to, how you are supposed to make a payment yet? So to do a payment, you need to use this debit card, credit card, right? And when you make a payment using this type of card or something, right? Then that particular thing is called as e-payment. That is electronic payment. When you are making payment with the help of internet, through internet, but on the computer, you are making buy something and you want to pay for it, right? So you are paying with the help of card, right? So that is called as the e-payment, that is electronic payment. And what you have used to do the payment, you have used the computer or maybe laptop or maybe mobile phone, right? So yes, that is the one of the use of computer, because when you make an online payment, the amount will be deducted from your bank account. So बैंक के account में भी information जाएगा कि आज आपने online shopping किया for so much amount, इतने पैसे आपने खर्च किए हैं, right? So that much amount will be deducted from your account, right? So to keep the record of e-payment and everything, there is a mini statement where everything comes, right? So yes, there are three uses we have seen in the banks for what purpose computer use. So first is, repeat after me, maintaining the accounts of customers. Maintaining the accounts of customers. Second, to withdraw money from ATM. To withdraw money from ATM, that is automated teller machine. And third, to make e-payment. To make e-payment, that is electronic payment. Electronic payment. Very good. Very good. Now we'll move further. Yes, now there are multiple choice questions which we have to do, and we are going to do it. I know you all know the answers of it. Okay, let's see. So question number 1, teachers use computers to make movies, bills, or report card. What would be the answer? What do you think? Teacher computer का use करके movies? Is she making movies? No. Is she generating bill? No. Is she preparing report card? Yes. She is using computer to prepare the report card. So you have to tick mark the report card option. Right? So yes to this option is correct. Those who have the book, they can do it in their book. Okay. Next, shopkeepers use computers to prepare. Shopkeeper, remember? DMart person. Shopkeeper use computers to prepare bills, report card, homework. Shopkeeper gives you homework? No. Shopkeepers prepare your report card? No. Shopkeepers prepare bill? Yes. So, yes, this is correct. The computer helps in maintaining the accounts of dash in banks, right? Who are having accounts in the banks? Let's see what are the options. Books. Then what's there in the library? Okay. Customers or animals. Animals are in zoo, right? So obviously the answer would be customers. Right. The correct answer is customers. So this you have to complete in your book. Those who don't have the books, they can write this in the notebook by looking at the video. You can pause it video and then you can write it in your notebook. Okay. Then you have to write some hard words in your notebook. The hard words, first hard word which you have to write is electronic. Electronic. This is the first hard word, or these are the new words for you, right? So you have to write this. Then you have to write maintaining, right? You have to write this. Then you have to write internet. I know this word is not new to you, but you should know the spelling of it. That's why I'm telling you to write this word in your notebook. Okay, internet. Presentations. Presentations. Calculations. Calculations. And then typing, storing, printing, accounts, then this full you have to write automated tailor machine, right? And that's it. So you have to write these words in the notebook, right? Let me repeat the words for you. Maintaining. This first word is maintaining. Second is internet. Then presentations, calculations, typing, storing, printing, accounts. Banks is having account, bank is having account. So accounts, automated tailor machine. So these words you have to write in a notebook. And I hope that you all know how to write the word. You have to write the word maintaining, then you have to draw a line, and full line you have to write maintaining, maintaining, maintaining. Then write internet, full line internet, 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 right? The way we used to write in the first standard, hard words, new words, same way you have to continue now. Okay, you have to write the same way. Okay, so today we have seen offices, the use of computer in offices to give presentations, to do calculations, typing, storing, and printing documents. And banks, we have seen banks. So to maintain accounts of whose accounts? Customers. To maintain the accounts of customers. Then we have seen computer helps you to withdraw. Yes, you have to write this word also, withdraw. Withdraw. Withdraw means taking money out from the bank. When you take money from the bank, right, that process is called as withdrawal. When you submit money, right, that process is called as deposit. Right, जब आप पैसे जमा करते हो, that is called as deposit. जब आप पैसे निकाल रहे हो, तो उसको बोलते हैं withdraw. Okay, so computer helps you to withdraw money from ATM, that is automated teller machine, and computer helps you to make e-payment, online shopping, e-payment करना पड़ता है, right? Yes, so that is also one of the use of computer. So these are the two things which we have covered today, and then we have seen multiple choice questions today. Next lecture, I'll be starting with the remaining things. Okay, so that's all for today. Children, do revise it from the beginning, right? So that the concept, the usage will be clear to you. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Bye, children. Take care of yourself.